What AI can't do. The human touch that keeps SEO relevant. There's one thing it can't replicate. The human touch that makes SEO truly connect. While algorithms can write quickly, they don't feel excitement, humor, or empathy. They miss the subtle cues of timing and tone that shape how someone experiences your brand. Human creativity brings meaning to words, turning data into stories that resonate and build trust. Real connection happens when content feels alive, unpredictable, and rooted in genuine experience. Small businesses thrive when their marketing blends smart strategy with heart, using language that matches their audience and stories that show, not just tell. AI can process keywords, but it can't understand the heartbeat behind them. For content that stands out and builds loyalty, nothing replaces the warmth, wit, and insight that only people can provide.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.